Right, so this is how I've been making, I guess it's kind of like Chinese style barbecue pork. It's a bit different, like just using ingredients just using like stuff you probably already have, not having to go to the store and get like anything special. So yeah, been putting about, this is for 2 small pork steaks, about 2 tablespoons brown sugar, quite a bit. About a tablespoon of this barbecue sauce. I think in the traditional recipe it's some Chinese barbecue sauce they use. A drop or 2 of red food colouring. About 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Drop of sesame oil. And about a tablespoon of oil. Put a pinch of salt in too. A wee mix. Can add honey. I think they normally add honey. And sometimes rice wine vinegar too. And we just marinate this. It seems to be quite good overnight, but if you want, probably just a few hours will be alright. But yeah, definitely tastes good overnight. And then when we cook it tomorrow, when we cook it, I put it up on a rack like this. And I have it sitting over the baking tray just to catch anything. And at about 180 degrees Celsius, these steaks here cook in about 10 minutes. Obviously you want to make sure it's cooked right through before you eat it. But yeah, that's how I'm making it. It's probably nothing like, probably quite a bit different than the traditional way, but just thought I'd share that with you. It's kind of like the stuff that you get if you buy fried rice from the fish and chip shop, you know. So yeah, that's it. I'm going to cover that with a plate. Cover that with a plate and leave that in the fridge overnight and cook it tomorrow.